Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amaya. If you are new, welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you for coming back to this video. About to head to the store. I've already made my meal prep list. This is my list, and this is just like basically I make like all my meals. I write down all my meals that I want to have throughout the week. And then I will just log them into MyFitnessPal and fix like the macros and stuff just to make sure that I'm hitting my goals for protein and majority calories, but I do want to hit my protein goal. I'm gonna go ahead and head to the store, pick up everything that I need for the week, and then come back here. Okay, so here's just a brief overview of everything that I picked up. Some zero sugar Sprites. I have some shrimp, some potatoes, some peas and carrots, blueberries, cantaloupe, some parsley. Needed some sesame oil, some creamer for my coffee, obviously. Some yogurt, some almond milk, spinach, eggs, Alani drinks, some sour cream, and yeah, I think that's it. And then of course I picked up my waters for the week. I have to re-up usually a few times a week, but yes, this is everything that I picked up today. Sprites, the Alani, the coffee, little section there, almond milk with the backups. Second row we have the fruits, veggies here, and then top row we have some shrimp defrosting, and then we have the eggs. And then over here is just like, you know, the little condiments. We have yogurts, egg whites there, and then y'all know the extras here. So everything's nice and organized. So this is my meal one. I have 2 slices of multigrain toast with some peanut butter, about a serving of peanut butter, maybe a little bit less. I don't like a lot of peanut butter on it, so that. And then I just have my yogurt bowl with 1 serving of yogurt, some blueberries, and then 1 serving of granola. And then I'm drinking my Alani pre-workout energy drink and cherry slush, my favorite one ever. And yeah, this is going to fuel me before my workout. So I'm excited to work out today. I have not worked out in a couple of days. So yes, let's eat and then we get to our workout for today.
To work the day away, I figured I could maybe pave away. No, it's niggas that count the days till I fade away. But you know I always find my way to turn a bad look in the field to something solid. I'm on target for a major play. Used to waste the day away. She hit me to say I'm on her mind, but my commitment to the game got me OT till I OD and then I fade away. Lately I've been giving downtones and meeting milestones. No way I'm giving all of me. She settled for a left hand with a gem over a piece of me. My mind's always as clear when she done climbing on the top of me. Really by the code, needs you to keep the same energy. I've been this in my sleep, bitch, I got your off muscle memory. Self-love gone missing, I'm right back to claims of needing you. I give you that attention that you craving, got you refueled. For real, I hope you find some sort of peace and all that meditating. I've been looking for mine inside the blunt, I'm self-medicated. Bad little vibe, ride or die, she on standby. 30 from 30, I'm not missing if I'm shooting mine. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. The world outside's on fire, niggas dying and the rent is due. When the babies learn to cock and fire back before they even get to live their truth. I think somebody got me right, cause I don't.
Hey guys, so I am currently starting my meal prep for the week. Some hard-boiled eggs in here. They're getting boiled. This is an egg cooker that I got from Target, by the way, if you're wondering. But yeah, so I have some eggs in here. I definitely will have to make some more about midweek, but this will last me a couple of days. And then I have my pan getting heated. I'm going to start making some ground chicken for my bowls. I'm gonna do ground chicken with potatoes and spinach. And then over here I had these cups of rice left, so I just decided to heat them all up and then get them ready. So I'm going to be making some fried rice, some shrimp fried rice. Just gonna toss this in the pan, and then I'm going to use this seasoning. So this is the finished product, the ground chicken with spinach. I usually just have it in one container because I'm usually home to eat my dinner, so I don't need to put it in separate meal prep containers. So this is done. Okay, we're struggling here. One serving of the vanilla yogurt, the Too Good yogurt that I always use. I have some blueberries, some granola, and some honey, and then I have a mix of chia, flax, and hemp seeds, and yeah, with the cinnamon and the honey, and that is it. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I'm going to just wind down, relax a bit, chill out, eat. You already know the drill. So yes, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.